Welcome to Bartender Software, one of the leading solutions for label design and printing software used by companies around the world. Whether you're in manufacturing, logistics, retail, or pharmaceuticals, this tool is designed to help you create compliant and efficient labeling workflows. I'll take you through every tab, button, and section on the website so you can understand what this platform offers and how it fits into your business needs. So let's get started. The first main tab at the top of the website is called Products. When we tap on this, basically we get a deep dive into what Bartender actually provides. So let's start with these buttons right here. Starting with Product Overview. When you click on this, it gives you a complete introduction to the Bartender software suite. It explains how it helps businesses of all sizes design, manage, and automate their labeling systems. This is great if you're just discovering the platform and want to understand its general capabilities. So, as you can see, it's showing us all of the possible features like optimize, boost productivity, and simplify your operations by automating the labeling and printing process, enabling proficient inventory management, scale, easily stay ahead of regulatory and customer mandates with versatile solutions that integrate with emerging technologies and widely accepted industry standards, and future proof, ensure your brand is protected from costly errors and downtime, and keep your customers safe from recalled or counterfeit products with always on solutions that assure accurate information. So, pretty much if you scroll down, there is way more features like standardize and centralize your entire labeling workflow and more. But let's move on to the other buttons, starting with software. This button focuses on the locally installed version of Bartender. It breaks down the different editions like Starter, Professional, Automation, and Enterprise, so you can compare features and choose the best fit depending on your company size and needs. Cloud Solution. The cloud solution gives businesses the flexibility to design, print, and manage labels from anywhere. It's ideal for distributed teams or organizations with multiple sites that need centralized control over labeling processes. Moving on, let's go to these two sections right here, starting off with capabilities, which details the specific technical powers of Bartender. The first button we have under capabilities is label design. Standardize and centralize your entire labeling workflow. So basically, this is a powerful design environment that lets you build custom professional labels with barcodes, text images, and RFID using drag and drop tools. When you go ahead and scroll down, these are the features that you will encounter. Create. Design and label faster with less effort. Create your own label with easy to use design tools or choose from a wide range of pre built templates, updated instantly to support the latest industry standards and regulations. Connect. Assure label accuracy and compliance with intelligent templates and pre-built database connections that seamlessly link to your data. Centralize. Standardize and centralize your labeling process to ensure data integrity and compliance for auditing and traceability. So let's move on to the next one, which is our printing, the power to print anywhere. Whether you're printing from a single desktop or across hundreds of facilities, Bartender ensures efficient and secure printing. So let's go down and check out its features and what it entails. Optimized. Centralized management of label operations and access to thousands of printer drivers ensures the highest printing performance. Flexible. Comprehensive enterprise-wide printing capabilities from any browser or mobile device offer maximum flexibility in your labeling workflow. Error-free. Data entry forms empower print operators with the ability to input data at print time to ensure the label has the most up to date information. Now let's move on to the third one, which is standards. Assure compliance with the latest industry standards. So, Bartender supports major global standards like GS1, UID, and GHS, helping ensure your labels are compliant and traceable. With features such as acceleration, with a library of easy to use templates, you know your labels will be fully compliant and standardized, accelerating your level design and process. Assurance. Ensure your current labels meet industry standards and have confidence that your business will always remain compliant as new updates roll out. Standardization. Ensure accuracy and accelerate workflows by ensuring your teams are all working with centralized, standardized templates across your operations. And lastly, we have integrations. Automate your workflow with ease. So, you can seamlessly integrate Bartender with EMP systems like SAP, Oracle, or Microsoft Dynamics for automated label generation. Generate. Ensure every label contains the right information every time with easy to use templates that dynamically change the content based on the most current data. Print. Print labels in record time using triggers to automatically send your label templates to the printer or print directly from your business system. Capture. Maintain a complete audit trail of your labeling processes with automatic logging and electronic signature capturing to ensure regulatory compliance. So, those are the four main products or the capability products. Now, let's move on to the actual product. So, for pricing, this is where you can check out pricing tiers based on business needs and deployment size. Try for free, well, pretty self explanatory. You can download a trial version to experience the features before committing. Free trial guide. Step by step guidance on how to get started with the trial and what features to test. Technical specifications. Find out what kind of computer or environment you need to run Bartender effectively. Product registration. Register your product here to access updates, customer support, and license management. So, now let's move on to solutions. You have three sections over here. The first one is by use case. These categories show how Bartender helps with specific applications like manufacturing, warehouse, retail, and transportation and logistics. So, throughout all of these, you can ensure accurate part labeling, safety compliance, and product traceability on production lines. You can use Bartender for inventory labeling and easily create price labels, barcode stickers, and shelf tags that align with the point of sale systems. You can design your shipping labels that comply with carriers like UPS and FedEx, as well as international custom requirements. Now, moving on to by industry, you have aerospace, which is support for DoD, IUID, and parts traceability standards. Chemical, create GHS compliant chemical labels with hazard symbols and regulatory data. Food and beverage, generate labels with nutritional facts, batch numbers, and expiry dates and allergen information. Medical devices, comply with FDA's UDI requirement and ensure device traceability. And pharmaceutical, basically handle barcode labeling for prescription packaging, unit done labeling, and anti counterfeit measures. For bystander, this section highlights how Bartender supports key global standards like GS1, Amazon Transparency, and RFID. So that's pretty much it because these are our main tabs, but I'm just going to give a short explanation for the other ones. For the Resources tab, this is where Bartender gives you learning tools and documentation like white papers, ebooks, case studies, and webinars. For the Partners tab, Bartender lists its global network of resellers, implementation partners, and technology alliances. Whether you're looking for local support or specialized integration services, this is the section for you. And finally, we have the Support tab. It's pretty self explanatory. This is where you can find help from their admins or knowledge based articles, like maybe a ticket submission or live chat. That's where you can find this. So, that's pretty much it for our tabs, but what exactly is Bartender? Well, it's the official website for Bartender by Siegel Scientific. It's a powerful platform for designing, automating, and managing labels, barcodes, and RFID tags. It's used across various industries where compliance, precision, and scalability in labeling are critical, like manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, logistics, and food production. Bartender helps businesses eliminate labeling errors, automate manual processes, ensure regulatory compliance, and scale across departments or facilities. With both on premise and cloud options, it's designed to fit small businesses and enterprise operations alike. And that pretty much wraps up our tour of Bartender software. Whether you're evaluating the software for the first time or looking to implement it across your enterprise, this site provides all the information and resources you need to get started. So, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.